Cleanse your liver naturally at home. Ingredients: garlic, lemon, honey. Garlic contains compounds such as allicin, which has been studied for its potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some research suggests that garlic may have hepatoprotective effects, helping to support liver health. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect the liver from oxidative stress. Additionally, lemons contain compounds called flavonoids, which have been associated with liver health benefits. Drinking lemon water or consuming lemon juice may also support hydration and digestion. Honey has been traditionally used for various health benefits, and it contains antioxidants and antimicrobial compounds. Drink 1 glass before bed.